Morning, folks. Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Been a heck of a year. Uh, Here we go again. It's, at least we're on this side. Uh, Couple things. I see a lot of you. You're giving really good results and ideas. Um, the other thing is we need to improve the search option up above on the Facebook page RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting, because someone asked for I had a code 14 and all these people are saying go here, go here. Well, believe it or not, most of the answers were already on the Facebook page RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting. I'm not trying to take the world over. I was just trying to make a self-sufficient page. So a lot of people, they get overwhelmed with, 82 things to go check. So please, folks, use the search option. There's also an RV Diagnostic YouTube channel, and I'm trying to integrate that into some of the things that have been asked in the past. And that's a task. And I'm getting ready to have the monitors go look at some of these things in the past, like we'll bring up generator. If there is no answer or the person never put the final solution and how it was figured out, we're going to delete it. So it will make it a more efficient search engine for you. So when you do find 22 people that said, hey, look at this one. Hey, I found this. Or hey, I had the same problem. It was this. I'm trying to improve the test, not guess. We got to get better at on how you found it. All right. And if you're swapping parts, I guess that is it. I mean, it's not how I make a living. I can't swap a bunch of parts and make a profit, folks. So there you go. Yeah, I said profit. I work on RVs, so I have to test, not guess. And that's where and why I started this Facebook page, RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting, and the YouTube channel to integrate with the RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting Facebook page. Please, folks, use the search option up above. It's a little magnifying glass all the way on the top. Get used to it. I even made a video. Just about everybody that becomes a member on the Facebook page RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting, I say, hi, I'm Jeff, the founder of RV Diagnostics. Please watch this video. It will help you learn how to navigate this page, Facebook page RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting, for a better answer before you post for help. So, yes, I'm trying to make it self-sufficient, but a lot of you, and then I keep going on with that little thing. I say, hey, there's over 322 troubleshooting and repair videos on the YouTube channel that you're going to watch how to navigate the Facebook page. And a lot of you are not joining. I don't understand it. What do you hate YouTube? Okay, don't join all the other ones. Just join the RV Diagnostics YouTube channel. It's not to make, I don't make no money off of that. Eventually probably will once I get 4,000 hours, and really I don't want their commercials. I want to put my own commercials on there. Basically it's links to tools, troubleshooting techniques. I don't know what to tell you. So there we go. We're going to try to reinforce that this coming year. So once again, test, not guess is the motto. Safe travels, and may your campfires burn bright till the next time we meet, whether it be on Facebook RV Diagnostics Troubleshooting, the YouTube channel RV Diagnostics, campground, or on the road. Thank you. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. It's like December the 20th, I believe, 2021.